Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
May I know your name and where you stay in Delhi?
My name is Mrs. Harmeet Kaur Kapoor and I stay in Modern Apartments, Shormi, Sector 15.
How old is your child?
I have two sons. One is of 10 years and one is 8.
What kind of classes you are looking for your child?
I am looking for the classes which would build their confidence level, like public speaking. Because my one son, he is very quiet. He doesn't speak in front of anybody. So I am looking for the classes which would develop his confidence level. And for the younger son, he is quite active, actually more active, but he is not sincerely dedicated to his work. So I would like to look for him that would make his sitting power in studies.
Okay, ma'am. Which other option did you consider?
I would like my sons to go in sports field because they are boys and they are very interested in these fields.
Okay. Which one did you finally choose and why?
I have chosen Brain Power Academy because I have seen that they are able to develop the concentration power of the children. Sitting power, like my son, they don't used to sit for hours, but the Brain Power Academy develops interest in doing their work, and so now they are able to sit for hours and do their work nicely. They don't get up; they just complete their work first. They have increased their sitting power, and they are able to develop the interest in it, and I'm very happy with it.
Okay, ma'am. Based on your experience, what are the two things you really like about Brain Power Education Academy?
Again, the same thing. It has developed their mental level. In calculations also, they have become fast. In class, they don't find it difficult because they are already aware of this concept.
Anything that could be better?
I would just want that in various areas of public speaking also, you should develop some activities of this kind, that they should be able to speak in front of anybody and anywhere else.
Okay, ma'am. On a scale 1 to 5, how likely are you going to recommend Brain Power Education Academy to other parents?
I would recommend it at second level, and first level I would like to recommend it but the confidence, I think it's lacking a bit in my child. Otherwise in studies he is okay. In Brain Power Academy he has done a lot of good things.
1 to 5, ma'am.
1 to 5.
On a scale 1 to 5, how will you rate this particular institute?
2.
Oh, 5 is the highest one. 4, 5 is the highest. 1 is a very...
Okay, 4, 5 is the highest. Okay, then I would rate it between 4 and a half. I would rate it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, not